In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a sock removed from a vacuum hose that is stuck. I just had the most stuck item in a vacuum hose I've ever had in my whole life, which hasn't happened often, but it was really a pain. It took about 15 minutes to get it out. So what happened was I was vacuuming and there was a sock. It came out of nowhere and it sucked it up and it got stuck about right here. The challenging part about this location in this specific vacuum cleaner is that it has a curve right here, so I couldn't really put any like a broomstick or anything this direction. So I tried from that end and I pushed it and I got it to about right here, and that's where it was really lodged. So I was trying to, change the shape of it. It was so hard. I hit it with a hammer to kind of like flatten it out and move it around a little bit, and that kind of worked. Got it a little bit further up, but then it was just it was just stuck in there so bad. So what I got was one of these spark plug removers. I don't know if you've ever seen these, but basically it's a long flexible stick and you have an end with your hand that you push down and it springs open, an attachment on the end that opens and grabs just like that. Let's look closer. Opens and grabs. So I was putting this in there, reaching around and grabbing and pulling. And after about 10 minutes, I finally got the obstruction, the dreaded sock, out right here. And there it is. That was a pain. Glad I got it out. I don't know if this is helpful for you, but go get a spark plug grabber.